fishtailing the shit. God damn, bro. Oh, fuck, bro. God damn, you need to just fucking pull the fuck over, homie. Jesus Christ, bro. What the fuck, man? Are you fucking serious? Too late already, took that. Australia. Oh, look at this, look at this, look at this. Look at this, look at this, look at this! CJ named Bill Gates. Are you fucking retarded? Look how low that car is. Oh shit, he bounced it. Holy fuck, dude. Look at these two guys, man. Bam, accident. What the fuck is this guy doing? Look at these two guys, man. Bam, accident. What the fuck is this guy doing? What the frick? Oh, hell no, bro. Oh my god, man. Fucking losers, man. Oh my god, man. No lights. Swerving. Oh, come back in, dude. Hell yeah. And let me guess that you're still in the wrong lane. You still need to get over one, don't you? Yep. Oh, do I? Get off the fucking road, dude. Get off the fucking road, dude. Oh, yeah.